Open floor plan with lots of space to make sure no one feels left out. Tons of usable storage with built-in hutch and pantry. Very functional kitchen with lots of windows for natural light. Large living room with cozy fireplace and lots of windows provides a welcoming spot to gather. Dining room with built-in hutch. Looking back to the kitchen from the living room. Looking southeast across living room. Cozy primary suite occupies the upper level of the home all by itself, offering a private oasis with jetted tub, Olympic mountain views, Hood Canal views and a deck to take it all in from. Looking to the west in the primary bedroom to the large sliding door that leads to the private deck. Looking from the deck you can see peekaboo views of Hood Canal and the Olympic Mountains. Huge walk-in closet with lots of space. The primary bath boasts a jetted tub and beautiful views out the window. Shower stall in primary bathroom. Nice-sized bedroom with large closet. Looking from bed to the west. Looking north from the doorway and bedroom 2. Large closet and lots of room. Guest bathroom is very good sized and well appointed. Bathtub with custom tile surround. The landing to the secondary bedrooms and bath with stairway leading to the primary suite to the right. Epoxy-coated stairs for long life and easy maintenance. Huge room perfect for entertaining with large ledge for knickknacks and collectibles. Looking to the north wall. Looking to the west. Large sliding door leading to the lower level patio. The backyard from the lower patio just off the bonus room. Huge garage with laundry and utility located in the southeast corner boasts half bath so you can stay on task without having to run up the stairs every time nature calls. Looking from the driveway to the home you can see the pride in home ownership the current owners possess and what an oasis this place truly is. Cobblestone steps lead to the deck to main entrance. Huge lean-to storage on side of home provides tons of protected storage. Beautiful mature landscaping along the driveway.